Umar ibn Al-Khattab, from enemy of Islam to its greatest defender. But the story of Umar ibn Al-Khattab, may Allah be pleased with him, does not end with his conversion. In fact, that was only the beginning. After embracing Islam, Umar did something no one expected. At that time, Muslims were still hiding their faith. They prayed in secret, fearing persecution from Quraysh. But Umar was different. With courage burning in his heart, he went straight to the leaders of Mecca and boldly announced, "I have accepted Islam." The Quraysh were shocked. This was Umar, the strong, fearless warrior they once relied on. Now, he stood against them. They attacked him. They beat him. But Umar did not back down. He fought back with strength and conviction until the people were exhausted. From that day on, Islam was no longer hidden. Because of Umar, the Muslims began to pray openly at the Kaaba, and this is why he was given a powerful title, Al-Farooq, the one who distinguishes between truth and falsehood. His acceptance of Islam became a turning point in history. His migration, hijrah, a bold declaration. When the time came for the Muslims to migrate from Mecca to Medina, many left quietly in fear of being stopped, but not Umar. He took his sword, his bow, and his arrows. Then he went to the Kaaba, prayed openly, and declared, "Whoever wants his mother to lose him, his children to become orphans, and his wife to become a widow, let him meet me behind this valley." No one dared to follow him. Umar migrated openly without fear. This was the courage that defined him. His role in strengthening Islam. After reaching Medina, Umar became one of the closest companions of Prophet Muhammad. He stood beside the Prophet, peace be upon him, in major battles, Badr, Uhud, Khandaq. In every situation, Umar was there, ready to sacrifice everything. He was known for his strong opinions, and many times his views were later confirmed by revelation from Allah. This showed his deep understanding and sincerity, his humility and fear of Allah. Despite his strength, Umar had a soft heart. He feared Allah deeply. He would often say, "If a dog were to die hungry by the banks of the river Euphrates, I fear that Allah would ask me about it." This was the level of responsibility he felt. At night, while others slept, Umar would walk through the streets of Medina, checking on his people. One night, he heard children crying. Their mother was boiling water to comfort them, pretending food was coming, but there was no food. Umar rushed to the Bayt al-Mal, treasury, carried a sack of flour on his own back, and brought it to them. When someone offered to carry it for him, he replied, "Will you carry my sins for me on the day of judgment?" He cooked the food himself and did not leave until the children were smiling. This was Umar, a leader who served his people. Umar as a leader, Caliph of Islam. After the death of Abu Bakr, may Allah be pleased with him, Umar became the second caliph, and his leadership changed the world. Under his rule, justice was established, poverty decreased, the Islamic empire expanded rapidly, yet he lived simply. He wore patched clothes, he slept on the ground, he had no interest in luxury. Once, a foreign ambassador came to meet him. He expected to find a king in a palace. Instead, he found Umar sleeping under a tree, no guards, no throne, just justice. The man said, "You ruled, so you were just mut, and you felt safe, so you slept." His martyrdom. Even a man as al-azim as Umar knew his end would come. He often prayed, "O Allah, grant me martyrdom in your sabil, and let my death be in the city of your messenger." And Allah answered his dua. One day, while leading the Fajr prayer, Umar was attacked and stabbed. As he lay wounded, his concern was not for himself, but for the Ummah. He asked, did the people complete their prayer? Even in his final moments, his heart was with his salat. Umar ibn Al-Khattab, may Allah be pleased with him, passed away as a martyr. Lessons from Umar's life. The story of Umar teaches us that guidance can come at any moment, that strength should be used to support truth, not oppose it, that true leaders serve their people with humility, and that fearing Allah is greater than fearing anything in this world. From a man who once set out to harm Prophet Muhammad to one of the greatest defenders of Islam, Umar's life is a reminder. No matter who you are, you can change. You can rise. You can become beloved to Allah. If this story inspired you, don't forget to subscribe to the Wisdom channel and continue your journey of learning from the Al-Azim companions of Islam, because their stories are not just history, they are guidance for our lives today.